Here we go. The market's had an extreme bloodbath. I'm going to show you what Priceline did. $60.77 to the downside. And once again, put options pay big. ICPT, the big bellwether today, had a range of $49.95. And the gap open down was 27 handles. This was the one that also went down big. And we are going to be able to buy these dips. It's the first time that, that the markets are going to give us some pretty good entries where we couldn't have gotten them without this sell down. One of the other stocks that we like to trade back again with our MMTs is Google. Here is the GOOG, and here are the trading ranges in that one. In the GOOG, we had exactly what? $25.10. Now, when you take a look at the GOOGL, you have a different class of stocks here. This one here has broken below the 100-day, the 10-day. We got oversold down here. We had a nice pop, but it's given the gain all the way back up. And I can tell you that the GOOGL is the best one to trade. And also with the options. That's the one that has the longer term data, okay, as far as your chart pattern goes. Now we're going to go to here. Another big one that got slammed, $16, GCSP. Look at them break below that 200-day. And we got deep sell signals in those. So they will be buyable. Hey, Biotech really got whacked. And you can see over here, Biogen, that one really got whacked again today. Had a big up day yesterday, but look at that selling right now. BIIB, $16.34. Now, let it be known, they got a big rally yesterday. They came right back and sold it down even more. But they're going to be buyable off the bottom, just like that big day that we had yesterday. Same thing with this stock. Had a great rally, ATHN, and then gave it all back up and then some. So all of these stocks that were finally put to deep sell signals is where our prosperity is. That 200 simple day moving average is down there. But listen, we got our shopping list. Now, let's go with Wynn Resorts, even Wynn Resorts. Hey, how this stock, it also had a $15 range. Gap open was $9.50 to the downside. The high was $222. The low and the high of the open was $224, and it dropped to $209. Big daily short. It's getting pounded on all its simple day moving averages. Biotech, one of the worst performers. Here's the ETF, IBB, and it's broke. It's going to test the 200-day simple moving average. And that ETF had $14.64 range. Here, big bellwether, Amazon had a great trade yesterday. It had a nice 2-day little rally into this resistance and then got taken to the woodshed today. And Amazon, well, hey, $14.40 range. That's on Amazon. Here, bellwether Tesla. We told everybody that these high flyers were going to come down in a big way. And once again, the public, hedge fund managers, everybody gets screwed. Why? They're still looking. This is 2014. This is not 2013. Look at Tesla, big daily down signal, that daily sell bar, that's going in there too, MMT. And we're going to be, now, here's another bellwether that we like in the pharmaceutical area. It's going to give us buying opportunities. This one here fared a little bit better than a lot of the rest of them. Tested the 100-day and whatnot, moving averages, had that couple-day rally. That's on our list. Now, ALXN, once again, another pharmaceutical like REGN. What we really want to show you on this one, though, this one here is going to set up for a wonderful trade at those lower support levels for intraday, as an MMT market maker does. That's what he does, or she does. Here's another one that we love, another high flyer, ILMN. And yes, you could say that they're breaking down okay. They're getting those deep sell signals, testing a 100-day moving average, MMT. Guess what? That's going to be a buy off of that lower what? Support level. Yeah. Here, what about ISRG? Look at it. We bought put options on that thing. That thing dropped $70 the other day. And today, well, believe it or not, it was only $12.50 range. PSMT, PetSmart. Come on. This stock here, we had a great trade on that sucker. And that thing has broken all the way down right along with the retailers. Put that on your list, honk, honk. It too has a daily sell signal. And you can see that selling right here to the bottom. MMT, we're going to trade them off the bottom. That's what a market maker does. Now I'm going to go to that Baidu, BIDU. Oh yeah, had a great 2-day rally, all right. Then just got slammed. And we're going to come back down here. This was that 3-day pop with the big sell today. And the thing about it is, this one's always tradable with us. Testing all the key moving averages that they're, what? Breaching to the, what? To the downside. Now, JAZZ, another great company in the pharmaceutical area. And a lot of today was probably tax selling and people bringing in profits, quarterly earnings. But look at what happens. These rallies a couple of days and they got sells. You didn't see that in 2013. Anything would go up, and so, but that's not the way that the world is right now. And markets are going to be markets. And they're going to, we're going to take a look at our bellwether Celgene. Had it great. I mean, look at, there's nothing wrong with the fundamentals on Celgene. And that I can tell you wholeheartedly. And you know what? They've got a pipeline that goes on, it seems like, forever. And this was that great buy up there. So the fundamentals are good. Technically, below the 20 and the 10-day simple moving average at support. Honk, honk. This is the one that we want to buy at the right price again tomorrow. And then here we have SSYS. Look at that big daily drop. Yeah, I'm not stuttering, not one bit. Not one bit. And that was a high flyer for us. All of them got daily sell signals, making great short trades up there at that resistance level. Now, one of the other things that we're going to show this big bellwether, SIVB Financial Group. Yeah, they got just hammered to the 100-day simple moving average. Now, Mr. Flag, this one is a big one for you tomorrow, because if we undercut that 100-day simple with the first daily sell signal on a daily, this one's got a lot lower to go and a big breach below what? The 50-day simple moving average. Here we have Bellwether Apple MMT. Not only do we have it, but it's been a great one for getting those put options at resistances over here. It got a daily sell signal today. It already had a small one the day before with that upside move, but you're below the 50-day simple moving average on what? Apple Computer. And we got a major catalyst earnings season. Now, let's take a look at another one that people like with a little bit less move. This one here has already breached the 200-day simple moving average, and the symbol is SPLK. Why are these good trades? Mr. Flag, make your notes, because I'll tell you why. When they come back up to resistance, they're going to roll over, and those shorts are going to pay. Okay, on that one. Let's take a look at U-Haul. U-Haul has breached its major catalyst as far as simple moving averages go. All right, and that is, once again, U-Haul. So we've already covered the ones that are going to make money. And once again, I will show the bull, TQQ bull. Hey, check it out. This thing was on fire all of calendar 2013. I already told everybody, hey, this market here is going to have both directional volatility. And I said the volatility was going to increase. All right, all the MMTs. That bull has got support, hopefully, down here, and it's an ETF. TQQ, that's the bull. Green Mountain Copy, look at here. Finally, Green Mountain Copy is a short tomorrow. It's got a, listen, the daily sell signal today is greater. That means that resistance, they're going to what? Be what? Weaker, as we all know it. Trip Advisors, TRIP, a lot of news around it today. They ran this thing. We shorted it during the last earnings quarter. This stock here, hey, listen, when this goes below that 100-day simple moving average, give me a break. Give me a break. We are going to sell below it, or we're going to bounce on it, and the daily sell signal is in the oversold short-term ranges. All of these stocks that have taken big hits and corrections, and I've said it all week and all last week, and here, let us not forget about EQIX. Look at that thing violate the 200-day moving average. We're all over that one right here, EQIX. Not to mention this one, BIPS. Got great fundamentals on this one. Buy the dips, sell the rips. They did real good. They gapped up on that earnings in the last quarter. And they gave upside guidances. They did everything good. So we got our shopping list to go long. Hey, I will say one thing for sure, that it's not in the daily sell signal. However, this 50-day simple moving average down here at 132 is just like a bounce there. Well, we're coming back in that direction for tomorrow. And right now, what we are going to proudly say is that there's some great opportunities. And by going through here and putting this out, the MMTs will know what to do with it. They were here all day. I'm going to let you know that MIDD is testing the 100, broke below all the key daily moving averages with the daily sell signal. And when they break these, they're going a lot lower. And those are huge profits around the corner.